So those of you who did not get the full thing or who had a problem, please message me on WhatsApp. I think we have a recording of this. I'll forward you the recording. You can go through that. And if you have any problems, you can still get back to me. Okay, if you have any problems, we'll solve that. For practice, I'm going to give you some numbers. Okay, you have to find out first of all whether it is an AP or not, and if it is an AP, you have to find out the next two terms. Please copy this 4-5 sums, not too many. वैसे भी बहुत time है, but I'm not giving you too many. Now, how do you check whether the given sequence is an AP or not? I have already explained. You check that it is an AP by checking whether D is constant or not. If the difference is constant, then the sequence is going to be an AP. And then if you add that difference, you're going to get the next term. So it is that very simple. All you need to do is check T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. सबका difference same आ रहा है. Good. Same aa raha hai, it is an AP. Then to the last term, add that difference, you will get the next term. To that, add the difference, you will get the next term. Like that, you are going to find out the next terms. And if the difference is not coming constant, period, आपको कोई tension ही नहीं है. It is not an AP. Five, 12, 19, 26 and so on. So these are the 4 sums that you all are going to try for practice. Okay, all you have to check is whether this sequences, these 4 sequences that I've given you, whether they are an AP. If they are an AP, then you're going to find the next 2 terms. Whether they are an AP, if they are AP, then the next 2 terms. Are we clear? I'll send you an image of this on WhatsApp if it is not clear on the screen. Okay, so that you'll still get it hopefully. वैसे तो अगर नहीं दिख रहा है तो पूछो, मैंने वैसे भी कहा है. In fact, the formula is also there in front of you, how to find out D. So I'll send you all an image of this if this is not clear, but that is all for today. Tomorrow is not our class. Day after we will have. Day after we will find out how to find out Tn, the formula for Tn. Okay. And then we'll take it forward from there. Now, any of you have any doubts, any queries till here you want to ask, please feel free. Now is the time to ask. कुछ भी इसमें से नहीं समझा है, कहीं पर कोई query है, कोई कुछ ये है, तो please पूछ लो. Do not hesitate. Yes, anybody? No queries? Sufyan, any doubts? सब समझ में आ गया? कोई query है? Sara, Zishan, Arman, anybody? Sehresh, Abdul Hadi, Saad, Danish, Affan. Any of you have any queries, please ask. कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछ लो. Okay. So this is what you're going to do today and tomorrow. Okay. If you have any difficulties, let me know. Of course, I'll explain it to you when we do next time. If there is any problem, please let me know. Okay. And those of you who have missed out, please WhatsApp me so that I can send you the recording of whatever we have done. ठीक है? I know sometimes today we had a little bit of on and off. लेकिन अब क्या करें? This is what is the gift from Corona. आपको एक क्लास आगे भेज भी दिया, लेकिन ये छोटी-छोटी problems भी अपने लिए छोड़ गए हैं, because net connectivity is going to be a problem for all of us. सबके यहाँ पर उतना strong net नहीं रहेगा या उतना speed नहीं रहेगा, कभी power का problem आएगा. So ठीक है, जब तक है तब तक we'll all have to work around it. We'll have to work with the problems. We can't run away from the problems. But don't worry. इसके बाद भी when we have our regular classes, उसके बाद भी we will again, if you have any problems in this, we are going to address that again. So you don't have to worry on that. कि ये नहीं समझा, वो नहीं समझा, ठीक है? Okay. And Sania, why is Roshan not there today? Sorry, Sania, Roshan is not there, no, today? Okay, fine. Chalo, so I'll end the meeting today. We'll meet again. Acha, there might be a small change in the timing. We might start a little early because some of them have some sessions going on in the school. So we cannot have that conflict with their school. So we might either start half an hour early, or if that is not possible due to some other constraints, if anything happens, then we might shift to the afternoon session. But chances are we will move, instead of 9, we will start at 8:30. Okay. Okay, chalo, all the best. Do these 4 sums, then we will take forward on Wednesday. If whatever timing is there, that I'll message you. Don't worry. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.